This one free app replaces both Notion and Miro, docs, whiteboards, and databases all merged onto a single infinite canvas. It's called Affine. It is fully open source. Your data stays on your own device, and it just crossed 70,000 stars on GitHub. So if you're paying for 2 or 3 separate tools just to think, plan, and write, this might genuinely be the only one you need, and the fact that it is completely free and open source is almost the least interesting thing about it. Let me show you around it. Let's start with why this project has so much momentum behind it. 70,400 stars, 551 releases, and counting. And it is MIT licensed, which means genuinely free, forever, with no asterisks attached. That specific combination, a genuinely polished all-in-one workspace that is also truly open source, is surprisingly rare. Most tools in this space are either beautiful and completely closed, or open but clunky to actually use. Affine is trying very hard to be beautiful and open at the same time, and that star count suggests a whole lot of people think it is pulling it off. So what actually is it? At its core, Affine merges 3 tools that you very probably use separately today. It is a document editor, like Notion, for your wikis, notes, and structured writing. It is an infinite whiteboard, like Miro, for diagrams, brainstorms, and visual thinking. And it is a database, for tracking and organizing basically anything across tables, boards, and views. The real trick is that these are not 3 separate apps bolted together behind one login. They all live on the same canvas, inside the same document, so a paragraph, a sticky note, and a full table are all first-class citizens sharing one single space. Here's the site itself, and the pitch is right there at the very top. Write, draw, plan, all at once, with AI. Scroll down a little, and you can see the core idea in action. A single document that is both a clean, focused writing surface and an edgeless canvas you can zoom straight out into. That is the real headline feature. Page mode and edgeless mode are literally the same document, one tap apart. Write your notes in a tidy doc, then flip to the canvas and spatially arrange everything, with no exporting and no copy-pasting back and forth between 2 completely different apps. That single idea, that the doc and the canvas are one thing, is the whole reason this project exists. And once you have used it, going back to separate tools feels genuinely clunky. Put it head to head, and the value proposition gets very clear, very fast. With the typical modern stack, you are running Notion for your docs and Miro for your whiteboards, paying 2 separate subscriptions, constantly context switching between tabs, and all of your data lives on somebody else's servers. With Affine, the docs and the whiteboard are simply the same tool. It is free and open source, and it is local first, so your work stays on your own device by default. You do trade away a little bit of polish in a few spots, but in return you get ownership, privacy, and one genuinely unified space instead of a browser tab graveyard. The team's own framing here is refreshingly ambitious. Their entire tagline is, quote, "There can be more than Notion and Miro," and their stated mission is even bigger than that, building for a semantic future to shape and not to adapt. That is very deliberately not the language of a company trying to quietly clone an existing tool. That is the language of a team trying to redefine the whole category of what a knowledge base even is. Under the hood, the actual feature list is genuinely deep. The edgeless canvas accepts rich text, sticky notes, shapes, embedded live web pages, and full databases, all as movable blocks you can arrange freely. Affine AI can spin up slides, mind maps, and summaries right inside your workspace, no separate tool needed. It is local first and privacy first, built on CRDT technology for conflict-free real-time sync across devices. It is completely self-hostable, and the desktop app famously runs with no server, no Docker, and no account at all. You can install it and be writing in under a minute, with your whole workspace living right there on your machine. And because it embeds live web pages and databases as blocks, a single Affine canvas can hold your notes, your plan, and your live dashboards all in one view. Let's ground all of that back in the numbers. 70,000 stars and over 5,000 forks, which means a huge and genuinely active community around it. More than 11,000 commits, so this is heavily, seriously maintained, not somebody's abandoned weekend project. It is MIT licensed, so it is truly free with no bait and switch, and it runs cross-platform across web, desktop, and mobile. For an open-source tool going directly after 2 of the biggest names in all of software, that is a seriously strong hand to be holding. And because the whole thing is open source, none of it is a black box you have to just trust. Here's the actual repository. You can read exactly how it works, file an issue, or fork it and build your own custom version. It is TypeScript at its core, with Rust, Swift, and Kotlin powering the native clients, and it is all built on the team's own block suite editor engine. 500+ releases means a steady, genuinely rapid pace of improvement. This is what it looks like when a productivity tool is a real community project, and not just a product with a pricing page attached. Now, should you actually switch? Let's be genuinely honest about it. If you live deep inside Notion's databases, leaning on formulas and rollups every day, Affine is not fully there yet, and heavy real-time team collaboration is still a bit rougher than the most mature wikis. But if you mostly write, sketch, and plan, and you care about owning your own data and not paying 2 separate subscriptions, then it is a genuinely compelling swap. For a whole lot of solo users and small teams, that particular trade is honestly an easy call to make. It is built by Toe Everything, a team based out of Singapore whose bio simply reads, "Building for a semantic future, to shape, not to adapt." They have been shipping Affine relentlessly for years at this point, and the end result is now one of the single most starred open-source workspaces on all of GitHub. It is a good reminder that some of the very best software being made today is being built completely out in the open. If you have been hunting for one single tool to write, draw, and plan in, without a subscription and without giving up your data, then Affine is absolutely worth a serious look. Every link, including the free download, is down in the description. If this was useful, do subscribe to Prism Labs for more open source finds like this one. Thanks for watching.